Morning, everyone. Today I'm heading deep into wolf territory. Heard some howling last night, and I'm curious to see what's out there. Well, would you look at that? These tracks are huge and fresh, probably from this morning. These prints are leading me somewhere specific. Look how they stay in a straight line. There he is, incredible. Look at the size of him. Easy there, big guy. I come in peace.
You're trusting me. That's incredible, buddy.
Who's a good boy? You're just a big friendly guy, aren't you? Thanks for trusting me today, friend. Until we meet again.